Technology and Livelihood Education. Industrial Arts for Grade 8. Quarter 4 Week 2, our topic is Common Construction Materials for Woodworking, Masonry and Construction Painting. Content Standards demonstrate an understanding of the consumables and component parts in industrial arts services. The Performance Standards, the learners perform simple diagnostics and simple troubleshooting in industrial arts services. The Learning Competency and Learning Objectives for this lesson. Can you name the job titles of the following skilled workers? The following are the lesson's purpose for this topic. Content area vocabulary. Consumable. An item used during operations requiring frequent replacement. Materials, raw products utilized to construct various objects, such as buildings or structures. Consumable materials, any materials utilized only once, often experiencing wear and tear, and need replacement. Here are the common construction materials used in woodworking, masonry, and construction painting. Introduction. Construction work uses different materials depending on the type of job. Some of the most common areas are woodworking, masonry, and painting. Knowing the materials for each area is important so that buildings are strong, safe, and look good. In this lesson, we will learn about the materials used in woodworking, masonry, and painting, and how they are used in construction. The common consumable woodworking materials. These are materials made from wood used to make things like doors, windows, furniture, and cabinets. They are chosen because they are strong and easy to work with. Examples: lumber, plywood, nails, screws, wood glue. Wood finishing materials. Wood finishing materials are used to protect wood surfaces and make them look smooth and attractive. They help prevent damage from moisture, insects, and wear. Masonry materials. These are materials used to build walls, floors, and other parts of a building. They are combined with mortar to make strong and long-lasting structures. Examples: cement, sand, gravel, bricks, concrete blocks, steel bars. Construction painting materials. These are materials used to protect and decorate walls, ceilings, and other surfaces. They help buildings look good and last longer. Examples: paint, primer, thinner, putty, brushes, rollers. Construction materials are grouped based on their function in building projects: woodworking, masonry, and construction painting. Woodworking materials include lumber, plywood, and engineered wood, which are commonly used for framing, furniture, and fixtures because they are strong and easy to shape. Masonry materials consist of cement, bricks, concrete blocks, sand, and gravel. These materials are important because they provide strength and durability to structures. Cement acts as a binding material that holds bricks and blocks together. Construction painting materials include primer, paint, sealers, and thinners. Their main purpose is to protect surfaces from weather and damage and to improve appearance. Primer is applied first to seal and smooth surfaces before painting, while paint is applied last as the finishing material. In construction, materials are used in proper order. Structural materials, wood or masonry, come first, followed by finishing materials like paint to ensure both stability and visual quality.
A time to remember. This is Dr. Mylene Huliganga. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to my YouTube channel.